Hello, welcome our Gearresearch channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best wireless backup cameras that are best sold and reloaded in the last couple on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1, AUTO-VOX CS2 Wireless Backup Camera. The CS2 wireless backup camera from AUTO-VOX sits at the top end of the price spectrum, with everything you need to install it ready and waiting in the box. It's the camera of choice for drivers of large vehicles such as trucks, SUVs, camping cars and RVs, and is also popular for people who tow boats, trailers and caravans. This is a wireless rear camera with few components, which means you can have the system up and running in well under an hour, clipping it onto your rear number plate with the mounting bracket for immediate rear view safety. There's a 4.3-inch display screen you can mount on the dashboard, and the camera uses a wireless connection to transmit real-time images to this screen. The camera automatically activates whenever the driver reverses, so there's no need to press any buttons or use voice activation to get a clear view of what's behind you. As with most backup cameras, it also features parking lines on the image to help you to reverse and park more easily. Images from the camera are generally stable and give good vision with plenty of brightness, while the camera's digital signal, replacing the analog signal, ensures that your feed won't suffer from interference by other devices in the car or surrounding area. One common flaw in other models of backup cameras is a tendency for images to gain a purple tone or generally become oversaturated and off-putting. Number 2, AUTO-VOX Solar Wireless Backup Camera. The solar one from AUTO-VOX makes my list because of how easy it is to both use and operate. Not only can you easily slot it into a lot of different places, but anyone can set it up in a matter of minutes. All you need is a screwdriver to get it up and running. As the name suggests, it also charges up quickly thanks to the full solar design. You only need 30 minutes of sunlight a day to get it at full capacity. On top of that, it has excellent low light and night vision, allowing you to easily see when the sun goes down. The resolution definitely isn't the best, which means it won't be the choice for drivers who value a sharp image, but there are plenty of pros as long as you keep it outdoors. There are also just 3 buttons on the side and a small remote, making adjusting the settings a breeze. When you have it in rear camera mode, you can swipe up and down to adjust a view. There is a glitch that causes a screen flicker when it's in backup mode in some models. Unlike the other backup cams on our list, this monitor does require some wiring for power, but it's basic enough for de-installation. Number 3, Wireless Backup Camera for Truck with 5 Monitor. If you want easy installation and great picture quality, the AUTO-VOX CS2 offers the best of both worlds. As it's a wireless camera, you should have no problem attaching the camera with built-in wireless transmitter to the back of your car or mounting the suction cup-enabled screen on your dashboard. That means you can save money by avoiding installation fees with this wireless backup camera. While wired cameras are more reliable than wireless ones on the whole, the CS2, like the other wireless cameras we've included here, is an exception to that rule. The camera uses digital wireless transmission, which means that there's virtually no interference from other signals and no distortion to the image. Plus, the signal is strong, with AUTO-VOX recommending the camera for any vehicle less than 32 feet long. It should be noted that the viewing angle for the CS2 rear-view backup camera is 110 degrees, which may be too narrow for drivers who want a very wide field of vision. However, for parallel and close-quarters parking, 110 degrees works well as it cuts down on the amount of image distortion created on the screen. Number 4, 5-inch Wireless Backup Camera Kit with Digital. Another good option for drivers looking for wireless options is the Boscom K7 camera, offering decent quality images through its 5 TFT LCD screen. Out of the box, you get the aforementioned screen, along with the camera itself and the connections needed to get everything up and running, with the digital wireless technology meaning you can have it installed without running a cable line throughout the length of your vehicle. This reverse camera is easy to adjust to ensure coverage of any blind spots, with guidelines available to use as a starting point from which to make your adjustments. It's a convenient tool, which helps you to quickly get the camera set up correctly, whether you're driving a low-to-the-ground sedan, a tall SUV, or using the camera to help reverse with a trailer. Indeed, the wireless range on the Boscom K7 wireless backup camera extends to around 33 feet, which makes it suitable for long vehicles as well as cars towing trailers without the fear of the signal disconnecting. It comes with 1 backup camera, 2 side cameras, and 1 doorway security shark fin camera. Each camera has night vision and can stream live. Number 5. ZEROXCLUB Digital Wireless Backup Camera System. When it comes to finding a backup camera for an SUV, you want something that can give you the precision of a car camera and the coverage range of a truck camera. You also want to keep installation easy because with a larger vehicle, putting in the wrong wired camera can turn into a huge or expensive job. The ZEROXCLUB W01 Digital Wireless Backup Camera Kit covers all of those bases. Since it's a wireless camera, installation is a breeze, with the included monitor plugging into your vehicle's lighter plug, if you have one. The signal is also strong, with ZEROXCLUB touting 100% no interference and a transmission that works while driving at speeds of up to 85 miles per hour. The included LCD screen is 7 inches with a 1280 x 720 pixel resolution that offers a clear look at what's going on behind your vehicle. The camera itself is waterproof, with infrared lights, a high-definition image processor and a 149-degree field of vision. All of these features combine to ensure that the ZEROXCLUB camera is both accurate and durable, which is important, no matter what type of vehicle you drive. The large LCP monitor will allow you to see what's happening around you and give you peace of mind. Even in poor weather conditions, you'll still be able to see what's going on. This backup camera system is easy to install and has a good signal strength. Whether you have a small car